Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Aslam Manzoor here, your GoHighLevel expert trainer. So in this lecture we are going to learn about reputation management system, and I will guide you step by step how you can utilize them, a reputation management system, to get more Google My Business, your Yelp and your other social medias as well, like Facebook. So without wasting time, let me dive into video and I will show you step by step. By the way, all these other features I have discussed in my previous lectures. So in this lecture we are going to discuss specific reputation management system. I simply click on the reputation management system, and here we have some reporting system for reputation management, and here you can see all of your invites and all of your reviews and our 2-star, 3-star, even 4-star reviews as well. So first of all, that's overview, and here we can send request for reviews. Right now we don't send any request here, simply need to select the contact where you want to send the request. For example, I can send this guy to request and describe their number, contact number, and send contacts emails, and then we will send review request here. That's a manual procedure, but we can do these all things automatically as well. I will show you in a while. Just allow me a few seconds. And here we have all reviews report we are going to get from these requested, or we can say that we are going to promote our things for reviews, and we will all your reviews link here. So right now we don't have any link here, so that's why it says there is a no review yet. Now for widgets, we can utilize these widgets on our different websites and on our store and on our social media to get the review. For example, I just say I'm going to create new widget here, and here is your widgets. Write your review, and you can change according to your, we can say that we can going to use this model, and it will be showing like this. And if you are going to use list model, and it will show your all review in a list. So for now there is a no review here, so that's why it's not looks like a professional. But when you have review, it show in a carousel, it show in a grids and list format as well. And here you can update content. For example, you will say put your feedback here, we can say that, and we will write some descriptions as well. Here you can see that's a review system you can add on your website. And after that, when all things is set, and I will say I just change it to golden colors, and you want to change fonts, light color, whatever you want to change accordingly you can change it, your design, and according to your website's colors, and wherever you want to present you can change accordingly. As for, and I go to the settings, I will say display date, display review icons, and excludes review counting or no descriptions. So you can exclude all review counts that's have no description. If you want to place on the website, simply click on this, copy this, and you can put your code on your website. So that's it, how you can implement your widgets. So right now I just save these widgets, and I will go back and I will show you some templates here. Here is no template because there is no templates. We need to build all types of developments for this. Right now we don't have any templates, so let me go to the listing features. And in the listing, what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the all agencies admins and all things that you need to understand all of your review listing and your customer listing here. And here we have some settings features. By the way, this section is available on agency features, like if you have 290 or 497 plan. And here we have some review settings, review AI. For example, someone placed a review on your Google My Business, so it will be reply automatically with AI. So you can all things you can set here. For example, you want to turn off your AI response, and you want to suggest some review response, or you want to automatically review response automatically. For example, someone placed a review on your your Google My Business, you will automatically respond it. And here you can set if the 2-star review, you can add these units and minutes, and you can respond in a footer. And if you add a 4-star and 3-star, then you can change according to your requirement and change according to your requires what you want. Here we have review link. You can put on your Facebook, and you can set up your Google My Business link. For now, right now we have only Facebook link, and here I have, because I have just Facebook link, I have not connect my Google My Business, so that's why I don't have Google My Business link here. I just simply go to this link. It will be ask me put some review here for leads flex related lead flex, because I'm not logging here, so that's why I don't reach out the review section. But if you want to add more custom link, you can add your Google My Business link here, and it will be generate automatically short link here. And here you can send request via SMS and via emails, and also you can send review request on WhatsApp as well if you connect your WhatsApp, and you can send your QR code as well. Someone read your QR code, it will be automatically redirect the link. And here we have some spam review. If the emails and SMS or review are spam, so we will automatically deduct here, and we will turn off, or we will deduct spam, and whatever you want to do, it's a super easy. You can do according to your requirement here. And here we have integrations, and we can integrate this whole system with all these software. For example, you want to add Airbnb, AliExpress, and Amazon, wherever you want to add these, or all third-party tools you want to integrate these with this reputation management system for review. So yeah, that's it from this reputation management system. And by the way, I have make a complete reputation management system. You can watch my previous video. I have mentioned all things on my channels, and you can just go to my channel and search reputation management system. I have made around about 5 and 10 videos. If you like and subscribe this my video, I will give you free of cost reputation management system. And if you need any GoHighLevel related services, simply go to the leadsflex.com. You can search here leadsflex.com and go to the leadsflex.com and book free consultations, and I will jump with your call, and I will guide you step by step, and I will let you know how you can make money with the GoHighLevel and how to set up your reputation management system. Thank you so much for watching this video.